Hello everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to add wholesale options to your Shopify store. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. You can see, first of all, head over to products from the left side of your screen. You can see I have added 3 different products. Let's just edit this particular product, and once I'm inside in here, you can see we have pricing in here. So now if you want to show that the wholesale pricing or wholesale option is enabled, you can see we have compare at price, and once you simply add a compare at price, you will be able to realize that. Let me just go back. You can see in the products, if I preview this particular product, it is going to be looking something like this. Just wait for a couple of seconds. You can see this is on a wholesale price. So that's how you should be able to add this as well. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.